of a sudden and out of the blue, I came across this clip of an Islamic scholar. I've been following him for quite some time. His name is Wahiduddin Khan, Sir Wahiduddin Khan, and his answers to his audience's questions are really profound and so inspiring that they just completely, change the way you think about life and about the problems of your life. So somebody asked him how to attain wisdom, यानी हिकमत को कैसे हासिल किया जाए, अक्ल फ़हम को कैसे हासिल किया जाए ज़िंदगी में। आजकल की ज़िंदगी में जहाँ इतनी सारी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, इतनी सारी डाइवर्जन्स हैं, आप किसी एक चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं कर पाते. हाउ टू अटेन विजडम इन दैट सिचुएशन? And his answer was, as usual, really surprising and inspiring. He says, in order for you to attain wisdom, you have to pay a price for that. And set aside your desires and demands and start living a need-based life. He says, start living a need-based life, because all of the things, you see, if you have things other than what you need, are those that are, your desires and your demands. Those are just kind of distractions. Those are just kind of diversions, right? So moreover, he guides us that you must abandon and forego all the luxuries. Once you distance and detach yourself from the unnecessary desires and demands, you will see you will have sufficient time for yourself. And there he highlights a point, a very inspiring point, to go for simple living and high thinking, right? So it's not these are not two things. Simple living and high thinking are not two things. These two things are linked to each other. It's one thing basically. It's a one way that you have to follow. Go for simple living and high thinking. ठीक है, तो कैसे, किस तरह से, ये भी उन्होंने बताया, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ़ द टाइम्स हमें चीज़ें बताई तो जाती हैं, लेकिन कि ये करना चाहिए, लेकिन कैसे करना चाहिए ये नहीं बताया जाता. हाउ टू डू दोज थिंग्स वी आर नॉट टोल्ड by our teachers, by our those who inspire us. They just tell us to do this, but they don't tell us how to do that. So he basically points out these three things that you have to see. He says, one, adopt a simple lifestyle. सिंपल लाइफस्टाइल अडॉप्ट करें. बहुत ज़्यादा आपके लिए जो है लग्जरीज़, बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें अननेसेसरी चीज़ें हर तरीके से. यू सी हाउ जिस तरह से आपकी नीड्स होती हैं, आपकी फ़िज़िकल नीड्स होती हैं, आपकी स्पिरिचुअल नीड्स होती हैं, आपकी मेंटल यू हैव टू मेंटली डेवलप योर सेल्फ. सो यू सी कि आपकी नीड्स क्या हैं, उनको सिंप्लीफाई करें और प्रायोरिटाइज़ करें उन चीज़ों को. Number 2, he says, infuse and inculcate within yourselves modesty. Modest lifestyle apnaएं. And the third and most important thing that he has highlighted for us is that accept your mistakes. Whenever you make any mistake, do not refuse to accept that. In fact, you have to accept it and acknowledge it and identify and recognize that yes, this was your mistake and you own that. इससे क्या होगा कि आप आगे की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको सॉल्व कर सकेंगे ईज़िली, ना कि उन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को और ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट और कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाएंगे.